Hi guys, just putting this introduction at the front of the video to let you know that in the end this is a bit of a failure, but I'm still sharing it with you because it covers off some of the suggestions I keep getting for converting toy grade cars to hobby grade radio control. I am going to do another video soon where we do it properly, but in this video I'm trying a shortcut and it doesn't work. Hi guys, I'm doing a little bit more work on this toy truck that I converted to toy grade radio control. You may remember I burnt out the receiver in the previous effort, probably by drawing too much current to that motor to do the steering, because I was asking quite a lot of it. There's no gearing involved, I'm just using a bent arm to move the steering side to side. It does work, but it puts a lot of load on that motor, and when there's a lot of load on that motor, that draws a lot of current through the receiver, so I burnt it out. So I've just pinched this little receiver out of this car, which was originally wired control, and I'd put a toy grade receiver in that I pinched out of another car. So I've just pinched that receiver again to use in there, and what we're going to do this time is convert this to proper hobby grade radio control. That's a little magnet just holding the screws so I don't lose them. I've already put these connectors on the motors, but this time instead of using an ESC to drive the steering, which is the quick and easy way of converting it to hobby grade radio control, I'm going to see if I can replace that motor with a little servo. Now, probably ought to use a decent sized servo to do that, but this is very lightweight, so I'm wondering if I can get away with one of these 9-gram servos. So that's what I'm going to try and do. See if I can actually connect the gear that's on the end, the pinion gear that's on the end of that motor, straight onto the end of there, and push it through so we use a servo instead of that motor. So that's tonight's project. Just a quick reminder of how the steering works. I've just undone the screws. So there we are. That pinion gear there turns that sort of half moon shaped bit of plastic side to side to give us the steering. So what I want to see is whether that poor little motor in there will have enough power to do the same job, because then we'll have proportional steering and proper hobby grade. So I've got to take that gear off there and fix it on the end of here. So I'm going to see if I've got any screws that will go through there and screw into there and hold it in place. Right, there you go. I've just put a screw straight through it, done it up as tight as I can. Next problem is it's just a bit too long. So I can't quite fit it in there. I can jam it in. But I'm going to have to cut that piece out of the way. I'm just a bit concerned we may not have enough turn, because that's the full range. We're not going to get the full turning circle, but we'll give it a try, because this is another lazy way of doing it. Well, I think I'll have to be honest here. I don't think we're going to get enough turning there. It'll be a very, very wide turning circle. I don't know whether to carry on just to try it out, and then we'll have to do it properly and have a proper servo arm and push it side to side instead. I think that's what I'll do. I'll do this just so we can see how bad it is, and then we'll go a stage further. So nice dollop of hot glue to hold my servo in place. Hardly moves, does it? I'll put it together and we'll give it a try. In the kitchen, there isn't enough steering going on. I've given it a try already. I'll show you, but you probably can't even see it moving. Yeah, not very successful. It was worth a try, but we're going to have to do it properly.